Hi everyone, this is Benny from Neethus Academy. If you have ever felt confused seeing those jumbled sentences in PT reading section, don't worry, you're not alone. This is a tricky type of question. A simple logic use cheyyuvaanengil namukku idinte order correct aayittu find cheyan sadhikkum. In this question, you will see 4 or 5 sentences given in a jumbled order. So, our task is to correct order arrange so that it makes complete sense. There is no negative marking here, but marks are based on pairs. That is, we sentence correct next one connect even that pair gets marked. That is, a correct link in score a full order. Step 1, find the introductory sentence. Look for a line that introduces the topic. It usually doesn't start with pronouns like he, she, or this. The first sentence gives a general idea and doesn't refer back to anything. Step 2, identify links between sentences. After finding the first one, look for clues such as pronouns, transition words, and cause-effect connectors. Words like however, therefore, in addition, or on the other hand shows that sentence follows another idea. Step 3, look for chronological or logical flow. Some paragraphs describe a process, a series of events, or an argument. Follow the natural timeline or reasoning to arrange them properly. Step 4, check the connections again. Before finalizing, reread the sequence and ask yourself, does it sound natural? Does every sentence smoothly lead to the next one? Now let's look at an example. So here, first sentence A introduces the topic. It is the general opening. Next, we have sentence C, which expands on the benefits mentioned in the A. Then comes the sentence B, which adds a contrasting point using the word however. Finally, we have sentence D, which offers a solution to the problem mentioned in the B. So the correct order is A, C, B, and D. So that's it. Reorder paragraph will be easy once you know how to find the first sentence and link words. So keep practicing and you will start improving quickly. Thank you for watching and I hope you found this video helpful.